Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. My brother, Senator Richard Onyonka, and your family, fellow mourners, I bring my condolences to my brother, Senator Onyonka, and his family, from my family and the larger family of the Democratic Action Party of Kenya. You have very many friends who would have wished to be here from DAPK who have sent me with their condolences. And also a lot of friends you have in Kitale, where we live together. Many would have wished to be here, but they have sent their condolences. Also our brother, former Speaker, former AG, J.B. Muturi, would have wished to be here, but he has also sent me with his condolences. Please accept our deepest condolences. And like many other colleagues here have said, I didn't know Mama personally, but I know her son Onyonka. We have served together in Parliament, we have lived together in Kitale, and we've done many things together politically. And when I heard he had lost his mother, I said, I must be here to stand with you. I'm also Catholic, a very devout Catholic. And looking at the history of Mama Teresa, I think Mother Teresa's history reminds me of the history of Mother Teresa of India. Mother Teresa of India was also a very devout Catholic woman who later on became a saint. And looking at what Mama did, our Mother Teresa here, her work from the cooperative world, the banking world, and particularly in church. There are many Catholics, many Catholic women, millions of Catholic women across the world, but very few Catholic women have received that recognition of the Pope himself. And it is such recognition that will go to special people like Mother Teresa of India. So we are very, very proud of her as our Catholic mother. And some of the virtues we have seen in her are reflected because they were imbued in her son, Richard. Those of you who have worked with Richard know this. Some of those values are values of integrity. And he has served as a leader, as a minister, as a member of parliament, in the National Assembly, as a senator, he believes in leadership of integrity. And even when we are faced with corruption in this country, I do recall the Adani case, as Honorable Sifuna has said, we came together as the opposition to challenge the Adani case. Many Kenyans will remember that Richard Onyonka was actually the whistleblower on the Adani case. It was not an easy thing. His voice cut across the Senate and across the nation. We went to court and challenged the 3 Adani deals that were disposing of our crown jewels in the country, JKIA, Ketraco, and the Shah deal. So Richard, we see the virtues of Mama in you and we celebrate your leadership. Though Mama has left us, we're not just here to mourn, but to celebrate with you and to celebrate her. Many people are wondering, I know Father has said we don't talk politics here, but many people are wondering why the entire leadership of the one-term movement is here. I just want to set the record straight. Many of you might not know this, but Senator Richard Onyonka is not just one of the senators in the one-term movement. Senator Richard Onyonka is the founder member of the one-term movement. On 27th of January 2025, when we received His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua after impeachment, when he first joined the opposition, we were in Karen. We received him with Senator Onyonka and His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. And Onyonka said that time that he was here to hold brief for his principal, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who was in the US, but who was coming to join the one-term movement. So that is why, my brother, we are here with you. And even as the one-term movement expanded beyond the United Alternative Government, and now we have the Linda Mwananchi, this same Onyonka is the glue that is holding the 2 units together. He belongs both to the alternative government, the opposition, and he belongs to Linda Mwananchi. So he's a utility player playing across the chessboard. And he is one who actually believes in the principles that are going to ensure we unite, whether you are in the United Alternative Government or Linda Mwananchi, our goal is one. It is like in the scriptures, they say, those who say it, we belong to Paul, others said we belong to Cephas, others said we belong to Apollos, but we all belong to Christ. That is the belief Senator Onyonka has. And he's going to play a major role in uniting the two units when we come together, eventually to finish this job. Today, I want to say to all of you colleagues who are here, I know there are many presidential candidates here, but we have all agreed that we will agree on one candidate. This Onyonka is going to play a major role in uniting the two units and in producing that single presidential candidate. I have no idea who that candidate might be. I'm a presidential candidate. Chief Justice Maraga is a presidential candidate. My brother Rigiji is a presidential candidate. Fred Matiang'i, Martha Karua, we are all there. We do not know who will be, but we all know who will not be. Senator Richard Onyonka has an idea and is a keeper of that secret. May God bless you. May God bless Mama.
Musiharibu ile nafasi nimewapa. Imebaki kidogo sana nizime hii mic.